in just a second, but let's fill this out. So the first thing I think you should do is try to fill out all of the easy facts that we know. The easiest ones first. Let's knock them out. So 1 times 1 would go here. Well, that's 1. 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So if you notice 1 times 3, there would be a pattern here. So we're just going to copy all these numbers down like this, right? 1 times any number is that number. So 1 times 9 is 9. And the cool thing is once you do a row going across, you can do the same for the column going down. So we just, the ones going across. Now I can just copy those numbers down on the column here. So that'll be 1 through 10, just like we did on top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. I like to do, I'm going to get rid of this just for a second. I like to do the tens now because tens are easy to skip count by. And so we'll do 10. And now I'm just skip counting by tens because I'm in the tens column. So 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 in the bottom right there. And like I said, you can just copy now. Since we did the tens column, I can copy these numbers in the tens row going across. So 10 to 100, counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. We already did 100. Perfect. Now I like to fill out the fives. Fives are easy to skip count by too, so we'll do the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. And like I said, I did the fives going down. Just copy those numbers you just put in the fives going across. We're just skip counting by fives again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I did 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay? Now I just like to start at the 2s and kind of work my way down to the 9s. So I'm going to do this column of 2s here. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, and 18. And I'll do the same thing for the 2s going across in this row right here. So we did 2, 4, 6, 8. 46. That's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. So you see this pattern here is we are just skip counting in each row and each column to fill out this whole multiplication table, right? So if you're in the 3s and you're counting across this way, you're just skip counting by 3s each time. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Just counting by 3s each time until we get to our 10s over here. All right, now I did the 3s going across. I want to do the 3s going down. 18, 21, 24, and 27. So if you see the pattern here, I encourage you to go try this on your own now and see if you can fill out this whole table on your own just by skip counting. If you're still a little confused, you can hang out for the rest of the video and I'll fill out the rest of the chart. But I think if you know how to skip count, you'll be able to fill out this whole table on your own, okay? But I'll finish this up here. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Right, I'm just skip counting by 4s each time. That would give me to 28, and 32, and 36. Whoops. And since I did these 4s going down, I want to do the same numbers in the 4s going across because I'm just still skip counting. So we're at 24, 8, 32, and 36 again. Okay. Just these 16 left, these little 16 squares down here. We can get them. Now we're in the 6s. So I have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Skip counting by 6s. So 6 more than 30 would be 36. And then comes, 42, and 48, and 56. Skip counting by 6s each time. And now I can fill out this 6th row right here because it'll be the same number. So we went 36, and then 42, 48, and 56. Okay. To the 7s. Skip counting by 7s each time. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. 7 more than 42 is 49. Okay. We have 56. And we have 63. All right, 7 plus 56 plus 7 is 63. And I'll fill out the 7s going this way too. So we had 49, then 56, and then 63 again. All right, now we're with the 8s. 8 times 8 is 64. Just try to remember those doubles. 8 times 8, 5 times 5, 7 times 7. Those are handy to remember too. And then 9 times 8 is 72. So I'll fill out this one here. 9 times 8 is 72 again. And then the last one you usually fill out is 9 times 9. You can remember 9 times, the little rhyme goes, hooray, hooray, math is fun. 9 times 9 is 81. There you go. And now you filled out your whole chart. So to use this, let's say you needed to do 7 times 6. Well, you go to 7 and you count over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now there's your answer. 7 times 6 is 42. If you want to know what 4 times 7 is, you go to 4 and you count over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 is 28. So it's a very handy tool to help you do these multiplication facts. So we're going to go ahead and fill this out 2 days per week. Okay, 2 days per week. I don't care. I want you to do it on Monday and then one other day per week. I just suggested Wednesday here, but as long as you get 2 of them done by the end of the week, then you're in good shape. Okay, thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.